If it's not working, change. 1. In 1938, Lee Byung-chul launched Samsung in South Korea as a grocery shop. 2. In 1940, due to tight competition in the grocery segment, Samsung abandoned grocery for producing and selling of noddles. 3. In 1950, Samsung abandoned production of noddles for producing of sugar. 4. In 1954, Samsung left sugar and started a woolen mill in Korea. 5. In 1956, Samsung abandoned woolen mill and started selling insurance and securities. 6. In 1960, Samsung left selling of insurance and securities for production of television, the black and white television, not color television. 7. In 1980, Samsung switched to telecoms, producing telephone switchboards. 8. In 1987, Lee, the founder and owner of Samsung, died. The company now broke into 4 independent companies: department stores, chemicals and logistics, paper, telecom and electronics. 9. Same year, Samsung decided to focus on international investing in plants and semiconductor facilities around the world. 10. In 1990, Samsung delved into real estate, abandoning international investing in semiconductors. Samsung built the world's tallest buildings, Petronas Towers Malaysia, Taipei 101 in Taiwan. 11. In 1993, there was heavy recession and Asian markets went belly up. Lee's son, who had succeeded him as the CEO of Samsung, began downsizing, selling subsidiaries and merged the rest. 12. With the merging of the electronics, engineering and chemicals division, Samsung became the world's largest producer of memory chips. 13. In 1995, Samsung switched to liquid crystal displays and over the next 10 years became the world's largest manufacturer of flat-screen television. 14. In 2010, with liquid crystal displays becoming competitive, Samsung launches a 10-year growth strategy, with smartphones being a key focus. 15. In 2016, Samsung is world's largest mobile and smartphone maker, outselling iPhone 2-1. Samsung sales today is over $250 billion and produces a fifth of South Korea's total exports. Don't be afraid of change. If you don't change, you become insignificant. Don't be afraid of delving into new waters. Don't get stuck doing same thing over and over again, it's boring. The life is in the risk. The life is in the new. If your idea isn't working or you are stagnant, don't stick to the glorious past, take the risk and move on. It's far better than being stagnant. Moral: evolution is life ahead.